Hey guys, Hassan here once again, signing in, this time giving you a bit of an update, just a quick one. And today is a very, very rainy day, and so having a bit of a roof on can help, especially when you're building with straw. Let's go ahead and have a look. So, have a look at that. Absolute deluge here today. And ta-da! Indoor shore walls. So yeah, we've got ourselves a temporary tarp on the roof and half of the sarking, which is keeping us a bit dry in here. This week we have completed these sections from there down there and up to there. I was working on that section earlier today. And as you can see, we're busy working that part, and we kept slightly dry, a bit of leaks here and there, but yeah. And as you can see, the other section, yeah, soaked, totally soaked. Anyway, that's it for this update today. I'll come back to you some other day when we have more to show you. It's Has signing out.